Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be drawing a cute little unicorn. So let's get started. We're going to get started by drawing a cute little smile first, and that's going to be for the chin. So draw a smile like this. Perfect. And then you're going to keep going and draw a little rainbow down next to it. Then you're going to draw another little smile like that. Great. And you're going to draw a teeny little smile right here. That's the actual smile of the unicorn. And keep going up for the nose a little bit. Okay, then we're going to keep going. A little line for the nose and a little line going up for the nose like that. Great. Now we're going to do a little smile like this up for the hair and keep doing the smile that way. That's going to be the hair. Now we are going to do the eye, so it's a little rainbow like this first. And then a little smile like that, connecting it. Then you're gonna do a little circle for the eye and go ahead and fill it in. Great. So now we have the face of the unicorn. We're gonna do cute little eyelashes on the side there and a teeny little smile like that for the nose. Then you want to draw a line going down and curving at the end. That's for the neck. And then we're doing a straight line down for the legs. Okay, then we're gonna do a little bit of a line like that on the diagonal for one leg and a teensy little line like that for the other side of the leg. Okay, then we're gonna go back to doing the hair. And we're doing a little rainbow that connects to the hair right there. Then we're doing the horn. That's the fun part. Yay, horn! Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and do the ear. And that's easy. Everybody knows how to draw a little ear. And then draw a little bit of an inside of the ear that's kind of the same shape, just inside. And then you're going to draw a rainbow, connecting it to the other part of the hair with a little slide like this. Whee! Look how cute this is turning out. And that I drew a little bit of a tiny ear right there. Second ear. Did you catch that? Then we're going down, down, down. Whee! Slide for the hair. And draw another slide. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, whee! Slide! Yay! And then I'm gonna do another slide for the hair. Whee! Let's go on the slide! Perfect. And another slide. Whoop! Great. Then we're doing another slide. Down, down, down. Whee! And connect it with the rest of the hair with a little smile. Perfect. Then we are going to draw the bum bum. So it's like just a little sideways rainbow. Do you see that? See the sideways rainbow?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And then we're going to do a big slide for the tail. Woo! Going down, down, down the slide. Okay, that was fun. Now let's do the leg. The leg is going to be kind of a little bit of a rainbow at first. And then the back of the leg is going to be a tiny little rainbow like that. And then we are going straight line down. That's the leg. And another straight line down for the leg. Okay, great. Then you want to connect it with the hoof. Easy peasy, right? I'm sure you know how to do a hoof. Okay, let's finish up this tail. So let's go on another slide. Boop, tiny slide. So cute.
Yeah.
And connect it with a smile. Okay, this little unicorn is coming together. We just need to do one little slide over here. That's for the tail. Do you see that?
Yep.
Okay. And then we are gonna finish up the legs and we're gonna be pretty much done. So legs are easy. You just go down, 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 like that. Then follow that line next to it, down, curve a little bit, and then down, 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 down. Okay, that's it. Then you know what's coming? The hoof. There you go, hoof is done. Oh, can't forget the belly. That's like a little soft little smile. And let's go and do this leg. So first a little bit of a soft line like that, and then down, down, down. Down, 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 and then the hoof. Did you catch that? Okay, then we are going... The last little leg is different because it's curved. So you want to make these two lines kind of curved like that, and then straight down for the hoof. And one more little line for the hoof. Did you catch that? So then you just want to add a few fun lines for the tail. So that's gonna be like just going for little fun slides. Ready? Let's go! Whee! Let's go on a slide. One more slide. Whee! There we go. Well done! Look how gorgeous and cute that is. I'm just adding a few little lines for the horn, and you can do that too if you want. And that's it. I hope that you will do this drawing, and I hope it'll turn out great.